Hello students, all of you welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy. Students, you are all watching our video every day. We are also giving 7 problems every day, but only watching and prepare for the NEET examination, it's not enough. So if you come and join in our academy and prepare for the NEET examination means it is very comfort to you. So we have good faculty and good facilities also here. So you can, if you come and join here means you can complete your NEET examination within first attempt. Understood what I'm telling? Okay. So you need not waste for 1 year. Okay. So you can complete your NEET examination within 1 attempt. So join our academy and get your benefits. Understood? Now mostly I given more than 10 lessons problem. I did. Now only few lessons problem is there. Here today I'm going to do one of the lessons in 11th standard, that is hydrocarbon. Okay. This is organic chemistry lesson. Okay. Now I'm going to give. I already given the sums. Now I'm going to solve some sums in hydrocarbon chapter. Understood? See the first sum, CH3CONA soda lime to get A. Same CH3CONA on electrolysis to get B. That's a question. We have to find out the common A and B. Understood? See here, soda lime means, it's a mixture of sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide. So here, I write the equation here. Just listen. CH3COONA. Okay. Right. Soda lime means what? It's a mixture of sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide in the ratio 3:1. Okay. So soda lime means, what is the role of this reagent means it removes CO2 molecule from the compounds. Okay. How CO2 molecule is removed means here see that, that this will be removed. Okay. Now what's the product? This will not involve. This only involve. Sodium hydroxide only is involved in the reaction. Then H here, CH3 here. Now it becomes what? We get the product. What? We get the product methane. Simple one. Plus what? Sodium carbonate. Na2CO3. Are you following? Okay. So here, the option A, and the A is what? No, methane. Understood? Methane. Understood? Then now go to the second one. CH3CONA on electrolysis. It's the first one. Okay. Second one is the same CH3CONA on electrolysis. See that? CH3COONA, sodium acetate, on electrolysis. What happened? It is, first of all, it is split into ions, Okay. Okay, that. So product will be, CH3COO minus plus what? Na plus. Understood? Okay, that. It's electrolyte. Then only when on electrolysis, it produces ions, that. Okay. It is a, it is an anion, it is a cation. So, here it goes, CH3COONA, it goes to what? Cathode, no? Okay. It goes to anode. So at cathode, now see the reaction at cathode. At cathode, what happens means, okay. So CH3CONA, so you write 2 times CH3, then only we get the product CH3CONA. You write 2 times CH3COONA. Understood? Okay. Simple one, that is 2 times CO2 molecules will be removed. Then 2 electron, minus means 2 electron will be removed. Then there will be a bond formed between CH3 and CH3. So what? CH3 single bond CH3. That's a product. Okay. CH3. Okay. Then single bond CH3. 2 carbon is what? Ethane. Understood? So common A is methane. Common B is ethane. Same common which on the reagent is different. No. So here we are doing decarboxylation process. Here we are doing electrolysis process. Okay, the same common undergo different process, we are getting different product. Understood? Okay. Plus this is all, sub product, 2 times CO2 molecule plus what? 2 times electron. Understood? Simple one. Okay. So answer A is the correct option. See the next one. Very important one. Sometimes they'll give C6H5CONA also they'll give. Aromatic compounds also they'll give. Okay. If aromatic compounds is given means what? Here what? We'll be getting benzene. Understood? Are you following? Okay. Next one. The reactions of 2-methyl propan-2-all in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid at 443 Kelvin to give. Okay, that's a question. Okay. So, constant sulfuric acid. This role of this reagent you must know. This is called what? This is called dehydrating agent. Dehydrating agent. What is a dehydrating agent? That remove water molecule. Okay, students. Here the product A is nothing but methane. Product B is nothing but what? Ethane. So answer A is the correct option. Understood? Okay. Next one. Here 2-methyl propan-2-all reacts with constant sulfuric acid to give dash. That's a question. Okay. So this is a dehydrating agent. What is dehydrating agent? It removes water molecule from the compounds. That's called dehydrating agent, Okay. So, first you draw this. What is this? How to draw? 2-methyl propan-2-ol. 2-methyl propan means, 3 carbon. 2-ol means what? Okay, see that. Propan-2-ol. Propan means, 3 carbon, no? 3 carbon, no? 2 having OH group. The same 2 having what? Methyl group. Then you can fill by hydrogen, that. So this is nothing but here how to fill up. Here CH3 will come. Here also CH3 will come. And if you put constant sulfuric acid, what's the role of this? I told you already. This is an dehydrating agent that removes water molecule from the compounds. If you put this one, what happens? Here water molecule will be removed. That is, this OH takes hydrogen from all our beta carbon. This also beta, this also beta, this also beta. We can remove, we can take any hydrogen from here. So minus H2O will be removed. Now the product will be, what's the product? CH3, simple one. CH3, understood. Here, we are removing the H2O molecule between this carbon and this carbon, no? Then the double bond will come between this carbon and this carbon. So here double bond will come, understood. Here already CH3, now CH2. Now what's the name of this compound? 1, 2, 3. 2 having methyl, no? 2 methyl. Okay, 2 methyl propene. 2 methyl propene is answer. C is the correct one. You following? Okay, see the next one, third one. OS analysis of 2 methyl butene followed by zinc in presence of H2O gives. Okay, this is very, very important. OS analysis. OS analysis means addition of ozone, O3. No, first you write this compound. But means what? But means what? We have 4 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Understood? 2 in, no. So double bond in between 2 and 3. So I put double bond here. Then same to having what? Methyl group is there. Understood? Methyl. Then you can fill by hydrogen. How to fill up here? Here what? CH3, no? That or not? Here already 4 bond is there. Here already 3 bond is there. Then only one H will come. Already 1 bond is there. So CH3 will come. The valency of carbon 4. Okay. This is called what? 2 methyl butene. Okay. Then ozone means what? What is ozone? Addition of ozone. Okay. If you add ozone to this compound, the ozone is going to add in between wherever the double bond is present. Okay, so double bond is present in between these 2 carbon, no? The 3 oxygen atom is going to add in between the 2 carbon. Then only this process are useful to find out the position of double bond in organic compounds. Wherever double bond is present, this ozone molecule is going to add in between. Okay, so ozonase processes are useful to find out the location of double bond in organic compounds. Okay, sometimes they'll ask, DAS processes are useful to locate the presence of double bond in organic compound means ozonolysis process. Understood? Okay, now what's the product going to obtain means? No, the 3 oxygen is going to add in between these 2 carbon. Okay, the product will be CH3, C down CH3. Okay, now 1 oxygen I put top, another oxygen I put down. See, like that. 1 oxygen I put down, top, 2 oxygen I put down, like that. Now, no bond will come in between these 2 carbon because already carbon balance is satisfied. Understood? This is called intermediate. Intermediate we can say what? Ozonide. Okay. Now next one is what? Next one we are adding a zinc in presence of water molecule. If you add means what happened? Now the product will be, see, when we add zinc means zinc in presence of water molecule means the water molecule breaks the biggest compound into smaller compounds. You following? We are getting 2 compound. This side 1 compound, that side 1 compound. This side is called CH3, CO, CH3. Just try to understand. It's a ketone compounds. Understood? CH3, CO, CH3. CH3, CO, CH3 means what? It is a propanone. Are you following? This side 1 compound, that side 1 compound. This side what? CH3, C, double bond O, CH3. Understood? Okay. That side CH3, CHO. Okay. Plus what? CH3, CHO. It's called, ethanol. 2 carbon. It's aldehyde. No. Aldehyde means, it's a ethanol. It's a propanone. So option A is the correct answer. Understood? Are you following? Okay. So wherever double bond is present, this oxygen molecule is going, this ozone molecule is going to add in between the double bond. Understood? Right. Very important. Okay. So just practice. Sometimes both are aldehyde, both are ketone. Sometimes one is aldehyde, one is ketone. Okay. Sure. Next one. When HBr adds to butene in presence of benzoyl peroxide to form dash. Simple question. Whenever alkene addition halide, immediately you must know it's the Markovnikov rule or anti-Markovnikov rule. But if you use peroxide means you must know this is called what rule? I already told you. This is called what? Anti-Markovnikov rule. It's simply right. Okay. You know that first I'll write the common. What's a but? But means what? We have 4 carbon. One in means what? Double bond in between 1 and 2. Okay. I start the number here. 1 and 2. Then remaining you can fill by hydrogen. So here what? CH3. Here what? CH2. Here CH. Here CH2. Understood? You know the valence of carbon 4. Okay. It's called but 1 in. Add. Which one is added? HBr is added. Understood? Okay. Now in presence of what? It's a peroxide. If you use peroxide means you must know this is a anti-Markovnikov rule. What is anti-Markovnikov rule? Well, first of all, you have to split into plus minus. Here also we have to split. What is anti-Markovnikov rule? The positive part goes to carbon atom which carries less number of hydrogen. Positive part. This is a positive part. No. Positive part goes to carbon atom which carries less number of hydrogen. This carbon having 1 hydrogen, this carbon having 2 hydrogen. No. So positive part goes to carbon atom which carries less number of hydrogen. Automatically the negative part goes to other side. Are you following? Okay. Simply then you can add, you get one product. That's the option. Okay. So now see what's the product? CH3. Okay. Then CH2. Okay. Then what? H will come. You know, already one hydrogen is there. Now it becomes what? 2 hydrogen and CH2. Then here I told you, double bond. Whenever anything added, the double bond becomes single bond. Correct? Now CH2. Br simple one. 1, 2, 3, 4. The bromine is present in first carbon. So 1 bromo butane. Where is 1 bromo butane? This answer 1 bromo butane. Are you following? Okay. Suppose the same thing. If suppose benzyl peroxide is not used means we should use what? Markovnikov rule. So we'll be getting 2 bromo butane. Understood? Okay. See the next one. The number of sigma and pi bond in benzene. Okay. Simple one. Very simple. Okay. Sigma bond and pi bond. No. Okay. First you draw the benzene structure. You know that benzene structure. Okay. Here double bond in alternate position. Correct or not? Okay. Here each we have 6 corner. No. 6 corner. 6 carbon is there. Each and every corner we have iodine is also there. You know that. Okay. These are all very simple question I given. Okay. Okay. Simple. Okay. Find sigma bond. Sigma bond here. Sigma bond nothing but all the single bond. First of all we find out between C and H how many sigma bond. Okay. C and H means C is called H. Single sigma bond, sigma bond, sigma bond, sigma bond, sigma bond, sigma bond. Understood? So between C and H, how many sigma bond we have? 6 sigma bond. Correct or not? Between C and H, we have 6 sigma bond. Then between C and C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Between C and C, we have again 6 sigma bond. Understood? Then come to the double bond. Double bond we consider as a what? Double bond we consider as what? Pi bond. Okay, this is called pi bond. This one pi. This also one pi. This also one pi. Here this also between. That between C and C we have how many pi bond? We have what? 3 pi bond. Understood? So totally 6 plus 6. 12 sigma bond and 3 pi bond. Simple answer. D is the correct one. Understood? Okay. Next one. The order of hybridization sp3, sp2 and sp2. Okay. So here just remember if you have 4 sigma bond means around the carbon atom we have 4 sigma bond means sp3 hybridization. We have 3 sigma bond means what? sp2 hybridization. Okay. Likewise it goes on. Suppose sp means we have 2 sigma bond. See now I'll do the first one. See, first you have to expand the structure. CH3 out right here. You have 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon. No, put like that. Okay. Then this carbon first single bond here, double bond. Correct or not? Then here you expand the structure. Then only you can able to find out very correctly. Okay. Right. CH3. Correct? CH3. Then this carbon only H is there. Correct or not? Only H is there. Then in this carbon we have 2 hydrogen is there. 2 hydrogen. Understood? 2 hydrogen is there. Okay. So this is the concept. See, I told all the sigma bond is nothing but all the single bond is called sigma bond. Okay. Now see that. See how many single bond here? 1, all the single bond is called sigma bond. Okay, I told you no. Around the carbon atom, how many sigma bond we have? We have 4 sigma bond. I told you no. 4 sigma bond means what kind of hybridization? sp3 hybridization. Understood? Okay. Then come to this carbon. One. I told you all the single bond means sigma bond. Here double bond is there. So first bond always sigma bond. Remaining will be what? Pi bond. Are you following? Understand? Around the carbon atom. Now see. How many sigma bond? 1, 2, 3. 3 around the carbon atom we have what? 3 sigma bond. I told you no. 3 sigma bond means what kind of hybridization? sp2. Are you following? Understood? Now come to next carbon. Here all sigma bond no. So single bond is called sigma bond. Here also sigma bond. Now count. Around the carbon atom, how many sigma bond here? 3 sigma bond. 3 sigma bond means I told you no. This also sp2 hybridization. Okay. Now answer is if you same rule, if you follow other complements, it will not work out. Okay. I am doing only the answer. Okay. So answer is what? So first one is sp3. Next one is sp2. Next one is also sp2. So these compounds having only this kind of order. Then only answer A is the correct one. Understood? Okay. Just remember 4 sigma bond means sp3, 3 means sp2, 2 means sp. Okay. Right. Next one. Find B of the following. This also I given this Vosen lysis process. See, you take this compound, simple one. You can use to answer them. CH3, CH3, CH, double bond, CH, CH3 on ozonolysis. Okay, I told you no. Whenever if you add ozone, it is going to add in between wherever double bond is present. Okay, now the product will be it is going to add in between the 2 carbon. No, I told you CH3. Okay, CH. Understood? Now no double bond will go. No bond will come in between these 2 carbon. So one oxygen I put top. Okay, other 2 oxygen I put down. Understood? See that it's called intermediate. It's called ozonide. Okay. Then again, so A is called but they didn't ask A. Find B of the following. They are asking only B. Okay, B only you have to find out. Okay, this is called intermediate. To that intermediate, if you add zinc in presence of H2O, I told you no. Okay, so here it's a it's a complex. No, when we add water, it will break the complex. Okay, like this. Very simple. By practice only it will come. Okay, that kind of practice in our academy daily. So if you come and join in our academy, you can get more benefit than watching video. Some of the students only watching video. It's enough, you are thinking, but it's not enough. Okay, so I'm telling, each and every video I'm telling like that. Okay, so only watching and getting marks somewhat difficult. If you want to get very high marks means okay, watching video only is not enough. Okay, come and join in our academy. We will give more coaching to you. Okay. Now see the product. This side one product, that side one product, but both the sides we are getting same product. CH3CHO. Here also CH3CHO. Okay. So we're getting what? 2 times? 2 times what? CH3CHO. Understood? Nothing but what? CHO is called what? Aldehyde. No. Aldehyde means what? How it ends with? It ends with Al. Ethanol. Are you following? 2 carbon? No. So answer A is the correct one. Understood? Okay, students. Thank you. We will see in the next class.